When you need to connect renewable generation or industries to the grid, we offer an innovative, fast-track, plug-and-play solution, our GIS Grid Connection Kit. The kit includes gas-insulated switchgear, protection and control panels, auxiliary power, and also ancillary equipment and pre-assembled, pre-tested modules, all protected by a panelized steel superstructure. The fabricated modules are shipped in crates and on skids from our global network of factories, increasing efficiency and contributing to sustainability, as well as saving your time and money. Offering maximum flexibility, the kit allows you to match local grid code requirements, customer configurations, and cover all voltage levels up to 420 kilovolts. It is Identic-enabled, our digital twin solution providing all asset information, analytics, and operational data from a single source. Design certainty, well-defined interfaces, and dependencies during project execution improve safety and reduce your investment risk. The modular superstructure is available in a wide range of designs, colors, and configurations for the steel frames, trusses, and bracings, allowing our clients to adapt to local building requirements, optimize the plant footprint and outer appearance. With proven experience, Hitachi Energy provides affordable, reliable, and sustainable energy solutions for your project everywhere.